Hey everybody, a little update for tonight. Kind of got some bling going on, and all I did tonight was basically install the handrail stanchions. I used lock washers underneath and installed them in place. I put the boiler jacket back in place. I screwed it on. I've got a couple of little 540 round head screws that hold it in place on some of the 1/8 inch thick standoff uh, bars that are welded on there underneath. And then I first loosely reinstalled the brass bands around the boiler, and then gently slid the handrails. This is 3/16 inch stainless steel rod that I got from McMaster Car, and I slid that in place, and happily everything lined up pretty well. I did have to tap them a little bit to get them in there, but pretty happy that they lined up, and I was kind of holding my breath about that. So there'll be one or maybe two more stanchions. I've got two more for either side that will go on the smoke box. So I'll be taking these off now. Just wanted to leave them in place and lined up just to check that while I tighten the boiler bands back down. But I'm kind of going through methodically, getting everything I can do now done to get ready to put the boiler back on the chassis, and so it'll be ready for piping. Well, that's tonight's update. It's looking kind of cool. I hope you enjoy that, and like always, I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.